Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia G11 and today I will show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key, and when you see your boot options right here, you want to hold power off. As you can see, this will bring up this window right here, reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. And when it's rebooting, I'm going to quickly go over this mode, so just to kind of like describe what it's for. So when the device boots into safe mode, all the apps that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled when you're in this mode, and only the apps that come pre-installed with this phone will function normally. And the reason for that is if you have some kind of problem with your phone, if it's malfunctioning and for instance some app is, I don't know, creating some turmoil on your phone where you can't use it correctly, booting it into safe mode will disable this app from being able to screw with you basically. So you can from there quickly get rid of it. So there we go. As you can see, once the device boots up, it's in safe mode, which you can see right here. Now sometimes there are some of the apps that come pre-installed with the device that also will not work. I can already see one, which is Netflix right here, and the way you can discern which app can run is based on this. As you can see, Netflix usually has this black and red logo. Here it's just monochrome, grayish colors, so those apps will not run. And if you try to open it up, which I'll do right now, you can see that you get this pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So there we go. Now once you're done with this mode, to leave this, all you need to do is hold your power key and select restart, which will reboot the device and bring you back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.